This tutorial I will show you how to know this laptop is original or repairing or refurbishment. If you wanted to know that two parties, first of all you wanted to know, come to your search in your laptop, type for system information, then click open, then check it where it's writing system SKU. If it's writing 00000, that means this laptop is original or new version, not repaired, no do anything about it. If you see numbers or the last number is R, is a repaired laptop of versions. Let me show samples of our photo. If you see this laptop, SQ system SKU LLL4C hashtag ACH is a repairing or refurbishment laptops. Some laptops is writing is for R before hashtags. So when you see it, that's you must know that laptop is a repairing or they change something is on hardware, also hardware to repair it. Thank you. Like and share. If you wanted to know how many days the laptop is using it, or someone's using his laptops first day to till now, how do you know? Or how many days they using these laptops? Come to the searching and write CMD command prompt, CMD or command prompt, then type for system info with no space. Click and wait to process. Then go down this arrow, up, down, until you see the system BIOS versions. BIOS version is the first day that this laptop is using is October 1, 2012. So, and until now, the last versions or operating system installed is 2007, July 18, 2025. So how to calculate how many days we using these laptops? First, you go to calculators and decalculators. The first day is October 1, 2012. Is October 1, 2012, and then until now, July 25, 2025. This laptop is using our age is 12 years, 9 months, 12 years and 9 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. The old days they using this laptop is a 4,680 days. This party you will know if someone says I will buy my laptops. I bought it before 1 year. You know this and you calculating tell the truth. Like and share if you get any benefit.